Gisela D'Souza and welcome to my show Say Cheers with Gisela. Right now I'm in Kollam at All Season D Fort Ayurvedic Resort. Thank you. So like I was saying, I'm Gisela D'Souza from Mumbai. Currently, I'm an academic head and a bartender from Drink You Barman Academy. I like to read, dance, travel, and of course, bartend. So in this show, you will get to see some interesting, fun cocktail recipes and some delicious dishes that pairs along with this cocktail. So let's check out the all-season menu and find out something interesting.
My name is Shine and I am the chef. How can I be of help?
Hi Chef, pleasure to meet you. Please have a seat.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
So Chef, tell me something about All Season Hotel and since how long are you working out here?
Before all season, it all starts from Kollam.
Okay.
I am from Kollam and basically Kollam is very famous for the port, for the international spice trade that happened in ancient India. And also we have a beautiful lake called Ashtamudi Lake.
Oh, that's great.
It is the gateway to the backwaters of Kerala.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about backwaters. So I do want to visit there.
And also about all season, the main criteria is it is known as the pride of Ayurveda.
Pride of Ayurveda. So why is it called the Pride of Ayurveda?
Because most of the hotels which I have experienced has a 5-star luxury of spying, like people,
Yeah.
they give spa to people and they say that, it is Ayurvedic treatment or something. It's not an Ayurvedic treatment, maybe it is a luxury, I call it. But here in All Seasons, what they do is they give you specific treatment.
Okay.
They got, for the pre-delivery, post-delivery treatments. And Ayurveda is basically very connected to mankind.
Okay.
So once you take the treatment even for the eyes, for example, there are different kind of treatment. If you take the fingertips of everyone, the fingerprint is very different, right?
Yeah.
Right? So every individual in Ayurveda has to be treated differently.
Okay, great.
For example, in any other medicine, they give you one medicine for everyone.
That's nice. So even you all include diet, Ayurvedic diet or something
Because
like that?
I believe food is medicine. So I also hear what they do is they will equip you with wonderful diet
Okay.
and they make you fit with the food, and that also will heal you and make you very healthy.
That's great, then I'm lucky to come here. Also, now since this is first time in Kerala and I'm from Mumbai, I've heard a lot about beef and parota. I'm really craving for it.
Because it is also recently declared as the national food of Kerala.
Oh yeah, I've heard that is an emotion to people out here. So I'm really craving one for it. I really want to know what is it all about.
In Kerala especially, we cook also in an Ayurvedic way.
Okay.
Very, very much. We use the coconut shell. We take the water out of the coconut shell and we cook beef in that, and we call it beef in coconut shell with a twist of bird eye chili.
Wow.
So that is going to be complimented to you today. Let's see.
That's great. I really want to. I'm looking forward for it.
Now that's your parota and beef. It's ready to be served. With a special note of bird eye, it's called bird eye chili, which is called kandari in Malayalam. Very hot and very spicy and delicious. You can enjoy.
Wow, it looks amazing and even sounds amazing. You know what? I've got a perfect cocktail for it. Chef, where is the bar?
Let's do it. This is Secret Zone. We call it the Versatile Bar in Kollam because this is it, and this is one of the most iconic bar. And Giselle, we're bringing you here to try your most exotic cocktail. I'm very, very excited
Thank you so much, Chef. Even I'm glad to be out here. And this place really looks amazing.
Thank you.
So today I'm going to fix you a classic cocktail,
Wow.
a very popular cocktail called Mojito.
Uh-huh.
Now this Mojito cocktail, I'm not going to be very classic. I'm going to give it my twist. That you'll see when I fix the drink.
So it means that it will have Gisella's signature.
Yes.
Wow.
So let's do it. So first you need to take a tall glass.
Uh-huh.
Then we are going to add 3 lime wedges.
That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Yeah.
Now we're going to gently muddle it.
Okay.
Just release the juice. We are going to use next is fresh mint, a handful of fresh mint.
So this gives that flavors, I think, right?
It also gives us flavor. Now, since Mojito is known as for its great immunity booster, since lime and mint also helps you in digestion.
Uh-huh.
So this drink is perfect for your beef and parota.
Wow, wow. I should bring this home every day. Yeah.
Yes.
And I will introduce this to all my friends. All friends who love alcohol should include it in their diet.
Sure. A cocktail that too helping you in digestion and immunity buster.
Wow, that's a new knowledge actually. Immunity buster.
I'm going to tap it
Okay.
and just rim the glass. That's it, dropping. Now the secret ingredient, that is a homemade curry syrup.
Okay.
So I'm just going to add in 15 ml.
That's a Gisella signature.
Yes. Now curry leaves is rich in vitamin C, everything. We know it's found in abundance in India.
Okay.
Also, it has many medicinal and also used in culinary a lot.
Okay.
So that's why curry leaf I've used in this. It also lowers in your cholesterol.
Yeah, we love curry leaf here in
And
Kerala.
you know in India we are good in cholesterol level.
Okay.
So of course we are so best thing lime, mint and curry leaf.
Okay.
Digestion, immunity booster and also lowers your cholesterol level.
Wow.
Next is your main ingredient,
Yeah.
Bacardi.
Yeah.
So we are going to add in 60 ml.
Okay.
We're going to add in some ice cube, fresh ice.
Okay.
This is a very simple cocktail, easy to make at home. Ingredients are easily available. Gently, I'm not going to stir, I'm just going to just mix it up and down.
Okay.
Just the flavors.
So this will release all the
Yes.
flavors.
Now I'm going to add in more ice cube. Loads of ice. And last, now the final ingredient, it's your soda.
Wow.
A small stir. Just mixing it. I'm going to garnish it with your curry leaf.
Wow.
And we're going to use, say no to plastic, we're going to use a bamboo straw.
Wow. So that is eco-friendly.
Yes.
Wow.
And since we are at a highway, this place, Kollam, is known for in nature,
Okay.
let's use a plastic straw.
So it's ready?
Yes.
So
And that's for you.
Wait, it really look very gorgeous. And I call it, indeed, because it is done by a very beautiful lady, Gisella, I call it Gorgeous Mojito.
So see you all in the next episode of
Say cheers with Gisella.